Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to make a clip in slow motion while using Camtasia. You better know that there is not any direct option available in Camtasia there where we can just slow down the clip. How we are going to do that? There is a trick and we will go directly to the Camtasia, and for that one I will have Camtasia 2019, and we have a clip here where I have recorded one like shooting a gun, and we have that trigger we are pressing and the pin is coming out, but with the help of eye we cannot see that one. Now let me just show you what is happening, and I'm going to separate the audio from the video and I'm going to delete that one, as you can see. And now I'm going to just like, let me just adjust that one and play this one, and you can see that there is my hand and it is not seeing anything exactly what is happening. Now what will I do here? I will come and see from where the trigger is coming. Okay, we have like, let me just find out. Yeah, we have like remove that one, that part, because I am going to just make the specific part to be now here, and I'm going to just right click on that one and we will just add clip speed. And as you know that when you are going to come in property, you have like speeding up that, let me show you, speeding up that like 2x 3x and 4x time, but we are going to slow down that one. For slowing down you have to come here and just drag, and you can see now it is going towards negative, and we are just making the length much longer than the previous. Now when I'm going to play that one, you can see now here we can exactly see what is happening. Now if I'm going to make it more slow, then we can get more exactly what is happening here, like slow motion. Now see, everything was working fine. Now make it more slow, like I have 20 seconds of duration now. Now I will just make one more clip here and you can see now what is happening. Now see, let me just bring you to the previous frame and we have like this one. Now see, everything is visible and we can just check that it is working all right. Now once again, now see. Okay, what is the purpose of this tutorial? I was made that video for intention that either it is working or not working, the nip is coming out of the gun or not, because I have the problem that it is not visible with eye. Then we captured that with mobile in 60 frames per second. Now I brought exactly to Camtasia or played directly, but again the problem was that we cannot see the actual duration of the time. Then I brought that to the Camtasia and found that there is no speed down like slow motion part, we have only speed up, but with simple trick we can do that like this one. I hope you just got how we are going to make slow motion in Camtasia, and if you like that video, thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet my channel, subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you everyone. Give me permission to say goodbye.